the regional manager of Southeast Asia, Booking.com, Ritu Mehrotra. Big round of applause for her. Before I get into a conversation with you, Ritu, we'll just show the EV to everybody, and then we'll have a little chat also on your fantastic life, which was cut short about a year and a half back, and now you're back at it. So, pehle EV ho jaye, and then we'll have this big chat with Ritu. Partner of the ICC World T20, Ritu. Thanks again for joining us. Must be so nice to actually have people that you can talk to, no?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It is just fantastic to be here in real, in a stadium-like experience. So first of all, I would like to thank you all, and apologies that some of you had to also wait for some time. But it is pleasure to have all of you, and from the entire Booking family, I would like to thank you all for making time for us and be present for T20 Pavilion by Booking.com, and at such a pretty property, which is in the presidential suite of Grand Hyatt Mumbai Hotel and Residences. As Salil was talking about, right, a lot of people from India couldn't go to Dubai to see the match. And therefore, we wanted to create a one-time life experience for the cricket enthusiasts in the country to create and build this kind of one-time experience, which is where we've converted this entire place into a stadium. And we've looked at small nuances where you can see the pitch, the dugout and everything that I'm sure you'll be able to see that. So again, thank you all very much for being here. And at this note, I would like to invite our very, very special guest, Shraddha Kapoor, to come on stage with us. Very good. Just one sec. We'll just have the backdrop removed, and then boys, stay right there. Keep smiling. Look in front. Just 1 minute. You all have Instagram? You all have Instagram? You don't have Instagram. Only you have Instagram. So this goes on Instagram for you all. Okay. Yeah, of course. And then I'm just going to ask the boys to go and have their lunch. बाद में भी फोटो ऑप्स बाद में करेंगे ऑफ कोर्स यस बच्चे अभी जाएंगे अभी 2 मिनट रुक जाए यार थैंक यू बॉयज थैंक्स अ लॉट सो वी कैन गो बैक दिस वे या थैंक यू या थैंक यू रितु कैन यू कम बैक प्लीज या हाउ आर यू डूइंग श्रद्धा यू लुकिंग सो स्पॉटी एंड आई हैव टू से फॉरगेट अबाउट एनीथिंग What is your fitness regime now, man? I mean, it's amazing. Isn't she looking really, really like fit? Please tell me what has been happening in the last 1 year, fitness-wise, before I come into cricket.
Thank you so much. Yeah. And so nice to be here. Hi, guys. Nice to see all of you. Nice to be here. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to stay as disciplined as possible.
Not trying, it's working.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. And yes, I feel like I'm back on set after a really long time as well. So it feels so nice to be back on set. Yeah. And it's so nice to be in a routine also, you know. Yeah. I think during the lockdown, it was a little slow and it was so difficult for all of us. And so many people were very blessed. But it's nice to be back. It's nice to going back into normalcy. It's nice to even hit the gym. So it feels good.
And nice to see people.
Nice to see people.
Ritu, why don't you come a little bit inside? Yeah. So we've got a little rapid fire, Shraddha, that we're going to do with you. And since it's Booking.com and since it's cricket also. First up, are you excited about today's match? I mean, I know everyone is, but like, how much are you going to watch? Like, बहुत सारे लोग end overs, beginning overs. How much will you be able to watch of the match?
So I have to say that everyone is excited about today's match, right? Yeah. Everyone is like, India. So that full feeling is there within me, within all of us. And at home, I think is going to be completely crazy. It's going to be crazy. Today, it's my day off also, so I get to be a part of. Yes, I get to be a part of this whole experience. I'm really looking forward to it, and all my patriotism is all up there today.
Yeah, we are all anti the other 11 players. Babar Azam, jaldi out ho jao. That's we only want that. Ritu, before I go into rapid fire with her, how much of a cricket chipku fan are you? In the sense that background में चल रहा होता है या foreground में चल रहा होता है या एकदम screen के सामने?
Background type में चल रहा होता है. But
Yeah.
we know that this country loves cricket.
Of course, of course. हम सब इसके लिए तो आए हैं. Right, the rapid fire. Okay, so Shraddha, are you ready? I don't have the clock, so we're just going to assume that you have to say it fast.
And I have to be very fast.
Yeah. Okay. Most liked thing about our Indian cricket team.
Super fast, no? One word? Okay. I love the...
No, you can give five.
I can give five words?
Yeah.
Okay. I love the togetherness, the unity.
Yeah.
And I think I love the unity.
Yeah.
I think that's amazing.
There's no right or wrong answer. Fantastic. 3 destinations for everyone, actually. But 3 destinations for you in your wish list for 21 ending and 22.
I've never been to Pondicherry. I would love to go to Pondicherry. I've never been there. I would love to. So one of my favorite places is Ladakh. I would can go back there anytime. Love Goa also.
All within the country, I like it.
Yeah.
And Ladakh. by the way,
out of India also. I can say.
anyway, you can go. Now it's flights are open.
Yeah, flights are open. Out of India, kahan pe? Oh.
We'll come to that. But by the way, you know, Ladakh, the tour packages are amazing. Almost everyone I know has either been to Dubai or Ladakh. 2 countries जा रहे हैं. And third is Russia. So 3 जो options थे हमारे पास.
So I have been to Ladakh, but I've been there like many years back. So I wouldn't mind going again.
Yeah, so you might just find a lot of your friends there also because it's happening a lot. Okay, the travel goal for everyone. You know, everyone has like a goal. You're incredibly popular on social media and Instagram and all that. And you know how people say goals and hashtag. What's your travel goal? Do you really want to travel a lot or are you still going to be 50-50?
I've been waiting to travel and because I love traveling and booking.com gives such unique experiences. So, and I'm all about like having a unique experience, something new that I've experienced as well. So it's always, or rather I try to like go to a place I've never been to before. So I think New Year's maybe somewhere, you know, not been to before types.
Shraddha, music to my ears.
New Year's.
New Year's.
In a place where nobody's going to be there. So it's a secluded spot.
Matlab like,
Or you like public?
I've never been there. Like a place I've never visited before. Yeah.
So give me one name.
Wherever not.
You don't have to go there, but one place you've not been there. We would love-
Pondicherry, I would love. But I don't know if I want to go there for New Year's. But like a place I've not visited before.
50-50. A little bit of action, a little bit of peace. Okay, so obviously cricket match today. Everyone's got like their big names. Player to watch out today for India-Pakistan.
So I'm rooting for someone new.
Okay.
So I would say that Varun Chakravarti.
Ah.
I'm rooting for. I mean, everyone is a fan of Virat. I'm also a fan of Virat. I'm also a fan of Rohit Sharma. But I'm rooting for Varun Chakravarti.
Yeah, I hope he gets those 2-3 wickets. I can't explain to you though, jo dard mehsoos hota hai, you know, if he doesn't take the wickets. Yeah. And we've actually been in it for the last 2 months. There's so much of IPL cricket also happening. So yeah. All right. Watching a match in the stadium. Now I have to ask this question. A, have you enjoyed the experience? B, more importantly, have you been there and watched it in a stadium? I mean, like that.
No, I have not. Okay, I have not, and I feel like that is something that I would.
So this question has to whether Shraddha Kapoor hasn't been to a stadium to watch a cricket match in India, living in Bombay where Wankhede is down the road. Why?
It's not down the road for me. 1.5 घंटा तो जाएगा वहाँ पे पहुँचने तक, but and
why?
traffic में तो 2.5 hours. But
But why? So why have you not gone to a stadium?
because nobody has made a plan with me only to go. So, but I would love to do it. I would love to have that experience. I think that वो जो energy होती है, and imagine being in a stadium during an India-Pakistan match. I think that it would be madness. And I think that what you guys have done, Booking.com has done to make this feel is very cool. And so I'm getting a
So you'll stay here. You'll watch it here.
I'll go home. I'll go home to watch it because I get to be with my family. Or I'll call them here. I should call them.
Father and brother are huge cricket fans.
Huge. And my dad's been a cricket player in college. And
शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको कि आप अभी तक स्टेडियम नहीं गए हैं.
I know na. So my dad's been the cricket captain in college or school. I can't remember, but he has a photo. Okay,
Wow.
and what a picture that is. He's standing in the center and he's the cricket captain, and you know he shows it to us with so much pride, and it's such a great feeling to see that. So he also says that you know I think that if he wasn't an actor, he would probably want to be a cricketer as well. And same for my brother. My brother's also played a lot of cricket.
Actually, every Indian का यही ख्वाब होता है because your parents think you can play for the country. When you start playing outside, you realize कि ball दिख नहीं रही है. So then you know we let go of these plans of ours. All right. If you had to choose now, since you've said you're going home, but if you had to choose like this brilliant stay over here, you know, in the hotel, and for Booking.com, you had to choose one or two people. तो आप बोलो किनको choose करोगे मैच देखने के लिए माहौल इतना you know खूबसूरत है यहाँ पे.
Definitely my dad and my brother, because I think
Obvious
they will have a full blast, they will do full dhamal, and that full mood they will bring to life.
I think you have answered every question perfectly well. There's 7 people standing there, you have to clap. Obviously, since there's no right and wrong answer, this book my...
You're too good, yeah.
No, I managed to get you out enough from it, but I have to say one thing, that, you know, cricket, it's a bit of a religion, you know. Sometimes you also face... flack also if you say that मैं stadium नहीं गई हूँ. So your friends would have said that to you also, na? How can you not go? And now that you've told me that a father is also a player, next time I meet him, I'm going to actually say this. There's somebody actually who's actually going to be staying here, and there's a very special, you know, winner that we managed to get. And I've got a little bit of a key also that I'm going to give. But yeah, can I have the key? There we go. So, Booking.com ने एक कॉन्टेस्ट चलाया था, ठीक है. सो ये T20 पवेलियन का ये माहौल जो है और अल्टीमेट क्रिकेट स्टे में एक फैमिली जीती है. एंड वी गोना गिव देम द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्टे हियर टुडे. एंड जस्ट पुट दैट डाउन. कैन वी एक्चुअली कॉल द विनर? निलेश एंड फैमिली. निलेश, आई थिंक इज जस्ट हियर. कैन यू प्लीज? Congratulations. And I hope that this luck that you bring makes India win today. Yeah. सर होना है पहले होता है. जैसे ही पिच पर चले आते तो ये दिल थोड़ा ना इधर उधर हो जाता है. डन सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. एक लाइट लगा देना सेल्फी के लिए प्लीज. हाँ वो बेटर आएगा. All right, can I get the bowl out there? आप लोगों ने कुछ सवाल भी लिखे थे पहले, you know, so we're gonna have some press questions. Thank you. Again, you've managed to come, huh? Fantastic. Okay, Shraddha.
Yes.
क्या सवाल है? Incredibly fantastic handwriting. Tell us about one of your fondest memories of watching cricket at home with the family, if there has been one. And you know that you've come in the last 5 overs, it always happens. You're going, what's happening? What's happening? Why is everyone screaming?
Yes.
One of these fondest memories we would love to hear.
Definitely, anytime that there's the cricket excitement that happens at home, it comes from my dad.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I'm talking to my dad or something, he'll be like, "आज match है ना तो, आज match है ना तो," and then everything revolves around. हाँ, आज तो मैं match देख रहा हूँ. And I'm like, "Bapu, what's your plan?" Match है. So that's where like the excitement comes from at home. So I love seeing my dad.
Yeah.
Get into a match. It's such an amazing
Does he wear the
feeling.
jersey and all that, get fully ready?
No, but he's like almost inside the TV only. So it's an amazing feeling to see that joy when he's watching a match.
Today's India Pakistan, did he care where you were going in the morning? नहीं ना, he पूछा भी नहीं होगा ना, because आज मैच की तैयारी. All right, I'm going to go with another question. Yes, अच्छा श्रद्धा, आज इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट मैच है, क्या उम्मीद है आपको टीम से और क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम को?
I mean, definitely, it's all about. I mean, I love this. I love this feeling of India, India. So that feeling is such a great feeling. So I'm going to be all about India today.
आज इंडिया 10 विकेटों से जीत जाए, हम तो यही चाहेंगे ताकि बाद में किसी को हार्ट ब्रेक्स ना हो। ऋतु, वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। आईसीसी की पार्टनरशिप आपकी जो रही है, व्हाई आईसीसी पार्टनरशिप एंड हाउ डज क्रिकेट एंड ट्रैवल, हाउ डू दे कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर?
So, we signed up with ICC about 3 years back, and a sport that actually, combines multiple countries together, and we believe in diversity as well. So, and India is actually one of the priority markets also for us, and there is no better way to connect with Indians better than cricket or Bollywood. So that was the spirit where we came together and thought about this idea of, yeah.
एंड आई हैव टू से दिस, मुझे पिक्चर्स मिली थी इस लोकेशन की, कैसे इन्होंने बनाया था। आई हैड नो वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब व्हेन आई एक्चुअली सॉ इट, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स व्हेन अ होस्ट विल वॉक इन से, अरे वाह, ये तो बेटर देन द पिक्चर्स भी है, लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक इंस्टाग्राम, व्हेन यू मीट द रियल पीपल इट्स लाइक, ओह, दिस नॉट लाइक इट। या, दिस वाज फैंटास्टिक, सो ग्रेट जॉब डन देयर बाय द
And
होल
also, I
टीम।
want to tell you, this place got booked literally under 4 seconds. Thousands of people, the cricket enthusiasts actually logged on, and so exciting to have Nilesh here
Well
with
done
us.
to the whole team of Booking.com. आखिरी सवाल श्रद्धा for you. नहीं, ये एक्चुअली मैं ऑलरेडी पूछ चुका हूँ, तो ये तो ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन, ये तो मैं पूछ चुका हूँ। इफ यू हैड टू बुक दिस स्टे, नो, ये भी हम पूछ चुके हैं, मेरे ही सवाल ले लेते हैं। वन लास्ट, let me ask this, okay. No, this is for you, Ritu, again. Which pandemic, with the pandemic almost behind us, travel's picking up. Any interesting trends that you're seeing? Like she's got lots of India trends in her mind. ऐसे आपको दिख रहे हैं trends?
Absolutely. So a lot of people are, the lines between work, if you have to work from home, you could be working in your house in Bombay or be in Pondicherry, who cares? So one thing that we're seeing that, a lot of people are going for longer stay durations. So that's something very exciting coming up. Other is staycations, if you're in, everybody has been in lockdown for so long.
Yeah.
So just enjoying a property for weekends, I think, is another trend that we saw. And of course, domestic travel, which always has been very big for us. But during these times, we saw that
It's increased.
it's increased,
Yeah.
aligns beautifully with our Prime Minister's vision, Dekho Apna Desh. So I think it's doing well.
Pondicherry's been put in my head now.
I know,
can't
in
stop
my
thinking
head
about
also.
Pondicherry, man. It's a fantastic. Well done, Pondicherry. You managed to get Shraddha as an unofficial ambassador for it. All right, T20 Pavilion, Ultimate Cricket Stay, Booking.com पर ये सवाल जवाब का जो सिलसिला यहीं खत्म होता है. I will tell you that you have, please take as many pictures as you want. और मैं थोड़ा सा exit मारता हूँ, and then we'll come back in and just wrap this up as well. Yeah, I'll just take this one second. Yes, one second. First with Ritu and Shraddha together, then Shraddha. I don't need the music. Just cut the music. Yeah. Okay, I'll do the right. So just look right, both of you all. Please look right. Now look left, please. Left. Okay, center. First center. And one to the left, please. Yeah. We're done? Okay. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you very much. Shraddha, some solos, please. Yeah. Yeah, just a minute. It's the official 2007 wala. The official hai. We can hold it up as we won. Acha ho jayega. We can use this later if we win, actually. Yeah, this is the 2007 cup that Dhoni actually won. Fantastic. Done? Thank you, gentlemen. Yes, yes. Thanks so much, Shraddha. Yes. With the, without, acha. Cricket bat. Yeah? Take bat, yeah. नहीं, bat and ball. Helmet नहीं यार, please. No, no. Helmet नहीं. नहीं. Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. Shot. Yes. Okay, Shraddha, take this ball and throw it at him. No, I'm just kidding. Bus. Thank you, Baba. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you. Okay, so acha, wait. So if you want, you can just do this and one leg forward and then like that. You want to do? Bus. Yeah. Just was practice swing. First one practice swing on the side. Yeah. So you turn around and do practice. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you, Baba. Wonderful. Lunch is ready, gentlemen. Breakfast नहीं हुआ, चलो lunch कर लेते हैं, है ना? Because मैं चाहता हूँ